Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to install the Smart Launcher 6 on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here just search Smart Launcher 6. Now from here just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here tap on Get Started. Now from here tap on Continue. Now from here just scroll down. Now from here tap on By continuing, you agree to Smart Launcher's terms of services and tap on Continue. Now from here just grant this app these permissions. Now from here tap on the X icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here tap on Set as Default. Now from here select Smart Launcher and select Set as Default. Now from here just tap on Always. Now as you can see, this is how you can install the Smart Launcher 6 app on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.